00 house, designed by andreaponsarquitectura, is located in Denia, Spain, with a total area of 195 square meters and was completed in 2020. Let's dive deeper into how the design of this house was created to respond to its surroundings, focusing on privacy and the use of natural materials. 00 house is situated in a densely populated residential area, surrounded by lots with existing houses. The primary challenge of this location was to create privacy for the residents while still maintaining a strong connection to the outdoors. The solution the architect employed was to design the house in the form of a simple, solid cube, like a fortress, protecting the residents' privacy from outside views. From the exterior, the house appears closed and almost hermetic, but once inside, a contrasting sensation emerges. A space that feels open, filled with light, and deeply connected to the outside. The north side of the house serves as the main façade, which is highly exposed to the exterior. To provide privacy while maintaining aesthetics, the architect incorporated an element typical of Mediterranean architecture, a perforated façade made from ceramic lattice. These ceramic pieces are locally produced, creating a composition that allows residents to look out without being seen. Additionally, this lattice façade generates beautiful light effects as sunlight filters through it, adapting with the seasons and the position of the sun throughout the year. As you pass through the entrance, hidden behind the lattice wall, you're greeted by a bright interior space. Your view is immediately drawn to a large window at the far end, opening up to a carefully curated backyard filled with selected vegetation. The placement of each window in the house was thoughtfully considered throughout the construction process to control the visuals from inside. Vegetation was also used as an architectural tool to block unwanted elements from the view and enhance the desirable scenes from inside the house. Regarding materiality, the project emphasizes the use of natural materials that can age gracefully without requiring excessive maintenance. For example, natural lime plaster was used on the façade, ceramic pieces in natural tones, and cement floors. The choice of these materials often involves appreciating imperfections and irregularities, which add to the natural beauty of the home. On the upper floor, the bedrooms are arranged around a height patio, which is essentially a private terrace enclosed by high walls to ensure privacy from neighboring houses. The walls of the terrace are strategically perforated to frame views of the mountains, while blocking out any unwanted distractions from the surrounding landscape. Overall, 00 house is a perfect example of how architecture can balance function and aesthetics. Its solid exterior and open interior create harmony between privacy and comfort. The use of natural materials gives the house a strong character that will continue to evolve over time. This house is not only a residence but also a work of art that embraces the beauty of its surroundings. Thank you for watching this house tour. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more inspiring house design references, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on our channel, Block 7. See you in the next video.